Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Office. Today in this tutorial we will talk about the Microsoft Office. That what is Microsoft Office? We will be having a peer review into the Microsoft Office. We will also discuss the uses and application of Microsoft Offices, and we will also talk about the importance of Microsoft Office. That why we need to learn the skills of Microsoft Office. So let's start the introduction to Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office was first introduced in the 1990s. This was made by the Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Office is in a sense different from the other softwares. Like it have other member software, so it is just like a family type of software. So the other members or family member softwares include the MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access, etc., etc. So we will talk all of them in the detail here. So the first one is MS Word. The MS Word is one of the important member software of MS Office. PowerPoint and Excel, these two are also very important, and I recommend to the student that you should make yourself master in these three software, like which are MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So PowerPoint, MS Word is actually a word processor that makes us enable to edit and make documents like report, letters, resume and run spell checker on writing. Run spell checker actually check our spelling in the what we have typed. So this detect the error spellings. So the second thing is Excel. Excel provide us electronic spreadsheet in which we can calculate, analyze and manage our data by creating simple to complex spreadsheet. So this is a very helping software in the MS Office. The third one is PowerPoint. Here you see the PowerPoint logo. This is the logo of PowerPoint, this is the logo of Excel, and this is the logo of Word. So these three are very important. Excel, we talk about Excel. So the next one is PowerPoint. So this is the logo of PowerPoint. PowerPoint enable us to make presentation and visually display information using anything from basic slideshow to professional multimedia presentation. So this is very important in the case when we are presenting. So the fourth one is Outlook. Outlook is actually used for the management of information like emails. This enable us to store calendars, contact information and manage tasks as well as organizing meeting. So the fifth one is Microsoft Publisher. Microsoft Publisher is actually a graphic designing app that give user creating material for marketing or publications more option in the layout and design of their documents. The sixth one is Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a database management system that allow you to link and use data from other resources. It manipulate the data you have gathered in different ways as well as create simple business applications. So this is also a very helping tool in the MS Office. The next one is Microsoft OneNote. So Microsoft OneNote is just like a paper notebook, but it is a digital one. So that allow you to create, organize and share your notes easily. So this was all about the different family software. We have talked about the different family softwares, and the next section we will talk about the